Hello students, today now class 3rd B subject GK date 18/12/2020 lesson 14 to save paper. We know that the paper is very important, it is an important part of our life. We use the paper for the different purposes, but you know that the paper is formed by the plants for making paper. A huge amount of the plants are cut down. So it is our responsibility to protect the plants, to minimize the use of the plant or the many practices, many ways by which we can save the plants. So there are four students who are doing different activities to protect the plants and to minimize the use of the papers. So millions of trees are cut down every year to make paper. To save them, we can recycle the waste paper. We can recycle the waste paper. Four children are shown below. They do different activities in their daily lives. Some points have been given to their activities. Add or deduct the points in their the respective scorecards to find out the child who is most aware about the environment. So, four children are: number one is Abhinav, second Rahul, third Chavi, and fourth Rosi. Four children are there. So, first we are discussing about the one students. What Abhinav, what activity is done by the Abhinav to minimize the use of the paper or to recycle the paper, or what activity he is doing. So to save paper, Abhinav writes on both sides of a sheet of paper. So one activity is there. To save paper, Abhinav writes on both sides of a sheet of paper. So for this purpose, he is getting 6 points. 6 points. So Abhinav is getting 6 points. It is getting 6 points here. Now next students, Rosi. Rosi knows that reprocessing of old materials into new products is called recycling. She knows very well about the recycling. What is recycling? So for this purpose, for this knowledge, she is getting 6 points. Rosi, she is getting 6 points. Now next one. Now next one, Rahul. Rahul knows that recycling prevents waste and reduces energy uses. You know that the by recycling, pollution can be prevented, or this reduces the waste, and on the other hand, energy may also be saved. So for this purpose, Rahul is getting 6 points. Rahul is getting 6 points. And Chavi always uses old newspapers and calendars to cover her books. Or she is doing well as she use old newspapers and calendars to cover her books. So for this purpose, Chabi is getting 6 points. Chabi is also getting the 6 points. Now, Rahul Rahul reuses gift wrapping papers to save paper. For this activity, Rahul is getting 4 points. Rahul is getting 4 points. And Chabi does not reuse paper bags and the cartoons. So she should use, but she does not use. So for such activity, she reduces 3 points. Chabi reduction of 3 points. Writing in the minus, that is 3 points. And if added, we are getting as the positive mark or the plus sign of the plus. And Abhinav. Next one is the Abhinav. Abhinav went to a recycling unit along with his father to learn how to recycle paper at home. Abhinav learns how he can recycle paper. So for this activity, he is getting 6 points. Abhinav is getting 6 points. Now, next one. Rosie loves to talk about environmental issues with her teachers and the friend. For such activity, Rosie is getting 6 points. She is getting 6 points more. Now Abhinav loves drawing and painting most of the time. He draws and paints at the back of a waste paper. So in this way, he is reusing the waste papers. So Abhinav, so for this purpose, he is getting 6 more marks. Now next about Rahul. Rahul sells his old notebooks and newspapers to a Raddiwala to send them to the recycling unit. So for this activity, Rahul is getting 4 points. Rahul is getting 4 points. And now Chavi's father works on a computer. She insists that he takes his printout on the single side of paper. So for this activity, her mark will be reduced and deduction of the 3 points. Chabi, she is cutting more deduction of 3 points, more deduction. And now next, Rosie. Now Rosie always tries to find out how she can save paper as well as our beautiful earth. So for this activity, she is getting more 6 points. So now we can count the marks, what marks they got. So total mark, we can see total, he got 18 points. And Rahul got 14 points, and Chabi got 0 point, and Rosie got 18 points. So in this way, Abhinav and Rosie got the 18 points, and while Chabi got 0 point. Chabi got 0 point. So in this way, Chabi has to improve her activities to save the papers. Thank you. That's for today.